It was breaking structures to the downside, and at some point it started making its way up, sweeping all these highs. Even this one swept all these highs. This was also a break of structure. After sweeping these highs, it made its way down to break structure to the downside as well. So immediately this happens, this high becomes our strong high, and this low currently is our weak low. So now we've identified the overall market structure of Euro AUD. So meaning the overall structure is bearish, but we want to now locate the most current or recent market structure on Euro AUD, so that it will help us determine whether we should be looking for what buys or sells going into this week. So if I continue analyzing this market, you can see that this market continued breaking structure to the upside. Meanwhile, if I plot my fib from this point A down to this low, okay, you can see that Euro AUD is already at our premium where we should be looking for what sells. However, if I zoom this chart a little bit, this is my internal break of structure. Let me remove this fib too, so the chart will be a little bit cleaner. And there's another break of structure here. So now this is the most recent low in this market. We'll call it internal low, and this is the most recent high. Now this is the most recent structure on this chart. Although the overall time frame is bearish, we don't forget that we are looking for sales, and currently the market is at our premium where we should be looking for sales. But yet the internal structure, the substructure, is still what? Bullish. So we want to play in the direction of the substructure first, because it's the most recent structure the market has created. Until it gets violated, then we'll now follow the pro structure. So now, this being the substructure, you can see that if I point my fib from point A to point B, you can see that since the substructure is still bullish, we are looking for what? Buys. And if we are looking for buys, we should be buying from our discount. So now the market has made its way into our discount. So this will be our demand zone. The market has found its way into our discount. So now all we are doing here now is for looking for what? Buy opportunities. We're looking for the market to give us opportunity to get into this position to go to the upside. But if we do not get the buy opportunities here and the market head on to take out this low, then that means the substructure has realigned with the pro structure. Then we will now shift our bias back to the original trend, which will now be sells. Okay, I will now believe that this market will head down to take out this weak low,